difference. It tastes sweeter. It has its own taste. You get it completely. If we connect to our food like this, we will not eat lots of food. We won't even eat it so much. We are already given much more than we need. We are already blessed. We just need to connect to it properly. There are other ways. Don't use your cell by talking, eating. Just put it on the side. Put it on silent for 20 minutes. Don't watch TV. Don't read newspaper. When I was a child, I think my father read newspaper and he ate. So we all did same. पता नहीं कहाँ से obsession है यहाँ एक बड़ी बड़ी यहाँ खाना. It became a habit. Never looking at food. And now I have to force myself. Don't read newspaper. Eat. Do nothing else. Don't talk while eating. That is also very important because जो पहले के ज़माने में लोग कैसे घर में आते थे, हाथ पैर धोएंगे, फिर कुछ बताना होगा वो बाद में बताएंगे, खाना खा लेंगे. अब आपने देखा है खाते खाते बात नहीं करेंगे, फिर वो खाना एक प्रोसेस कंप्लीट कर लेंगे, फिर इस तरह से होना चाहिए. सेक्रेट टाइम. Obviously you have to chew your food very well because the first step of digestion happens in your mouth. If you chew well, you have done very good job. The rest of the digestion will be much easier. If you are upset, please don't eat at that moment. Wait it out till you are ready to receive. Your stomach should be ready to receive. Every organ of your body is associated with an emotion. Your liver is with anger, your kidney is with fear, your stomach is with grief. If you are sad, you are going to eat, it's not going to get digested. Wait it out. If you are not hungry enough to eat, then don't eat because you are not hungry. Very important. I am member of a group, ladies group. सब 4-4:30 बजे मिलते हैं. फिर वो नाश्ता पानी खाना पीना दबा के फिर घर में जाते हैं. I have my lunch at 1:32. I am not hungry at 4:30. So I don't eat. They are very unhappy with me. See, my stomach is not ready to receive any food. अरे घर में जाके नहीं खाना ना, अभी खा ले. सब लोग दे रहे हैं, खा ले. I won't eat. This is my sacred space, my stomach. It's like washing machine. आपका washing चालू है, आप उसमें और कपड़ा डालेंगे क्या? नहीं डालेंगे. You honor a machine. Why don't you honor your stomach? Don't eat when you are not hungry. Don't eat when one set is not digested. अगर इतना भी आप फॉलो कर लोगे तो आप हेल्दी हैं. बहुत जरूरी है. If you are not hungry, don't eat. One patient I treated recently who was not getting very hungry. खाने पीने का कोई मन नहीं है. फिर भी I force myself to eat because सबने बोला खाना तो चाहिए ना, बिना खाने तो मर जाएगी. So I said no, you don't eat till you don't feel hungry. Third week she said I'm very hungry. Good. 2 हफ्ते खाली फ्रूट्स और कुछ ऐसा सिंपल सा खाया. एक ही बार कुक मिल्क खाया. And in 2 weeks her system was so tuned. Third week she was doing. How I want to eat. Now your stomach digestive juices are ready. So eat as much as you want, but when you are hungry. अभी आपको बहुत ज़्यादा भूख लगी है, आप कहीं ट्रैवलिंग में है, फिर एक आप ढाबा में जाएंगे, फिर वो क्या देगा? छोले भटूरे या सादा हवा पे बनाया हुआ भाकरी कुछ दे देगा. कितना अच्छा लगता है वो. आप एक भाकरी एक्स्ट्रा खा जाएंगे. When you are hungry, you really honor your food. That's the correct way to eat. Don't eat in between. I don't open my mouth in between. If I had my breakfast, I just have something else, then something else. 5 times I told you, right? 3 बार breakfast, lunch, dinner बहुत हो गया ना. बराबर खा लो, 2 बार food खाओ, बात करते हैं. In between don't eat. See what is important. I told you lots of good food to eat. Eating is important. Chewing is important. What you digest is very important. मेरे पास बहुत सारे पैसे वाले लोग आते हैं, क्या क्या बादाम काजू सब खाते हैं और डाइजेस्ट ही नहीं कर पाते हैं. व्हाट अ वेस्ट. डाइजेशन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. तो आप क्या खाते हैं वो जरूरी है, बट क्या डाइजेस्ट करते हैं वो ज़्यादा जरूरी है. इसमें से क्या एब्सॉर्ब होता है, क्या एसिमिलेट होता है, किससे बोन बनता है, किससे ब्लड बनता है, कहाँ स्टोरेज होता है, कहाँ एलिमिनेट होता है. The person throw the garbage out. If you don't throw the garbage out, that's when it becomes toxic. So don't eat if you can't complete this entire process. Eat it with this complete knowledge. So बहुत सारे लोग खाते रहते हैं, एक घंटे से खाते हैं. It's good for you ना, good for health ना. अरे बाबा, good for health. Can you digest? You need what you digest. Then importance of fresh air. In this cubicle, obviously you are working. As soon as possible, do take out time, walk in the fresh air. Very, very important. If you don't take that dose, it's my prescription. Fresh air. You will be laughing. But it's very, very important. This air-conditioned environment has a build-up of positive ions. It makes you very tired. You definitely need fresh air. Unfortunately, our offices are not designed right. We are all very artificial lights and AC, and we are also working with machines. If we were working with fresh air, we wouldn't get so tired. But if you don't, you take your dose. From time to time, take vacations. Walk out in the jungles, a national park near your home, but you have to take a dose of oxygen. You don't need to pay me anything for that. Right? And the sun is your original superfood. Vitamin D deficiency, there was an article in newspaper, I think 80% of the people tested are vitamin D deficient. It comes from your sun. Sun is freely available. You need to walk 20 minutes every day with some parts of your body exposed and you get your sunlight. You don't need shots of vitamin D. That's your superfood. Very, very important, but unfortunately in urban population, vitamin D deficiency. Water. You drink enough water. I strongly recommend don't use plastic bottles. I'm sure you have one plastic bottle on your table right now for your water. Plastic is very toxic. Some of the bottles leaches out BPA. It's a very, very strong chemical. I advise all my parents, patients, सबको आप अपने बच्चे के लिए स्टील का बॉटल लेके आओ. Don't use plastic bottles. उसमें आप just throw it away. Those plastic bottles, some of them are only one-time use. You know that? आपको throw away करना होता है. हम देशी को recycle करते हैं. जब तक वो टूट ना जाए use करते हैं. It's very, very bad. Please throw it out. If you have a lot of plastic in your kitchen, I understand. You may not do it, but at least throw this plastic bottle out. This one cost a lot, maybe 500 rupees, but it's worth an investment. In my home, I have glass bottles. I store everything in that. Okay, I already gave you lots of bhashanbazi today. क्या करना, क्या नहीं करना. Now I want a 10 minutes little break. I want you to form a group of 6 people. 6, 6, 6. So we have about 5 group here, and I want you to discuss about can you do it, is it feasible, and how, if there are any problems there. And then in 10 minutes I'll ask you summary of it. Can we do it? What do we need to do? So let's form a group and have a little discussion. Your own discussion. So who wants to come and share something? What are your difficulties? What's happening? Who wants to share? What is the essence of discussion?
Can move.
Can you do it?
Hi, I'm Prasad. Before sharing about our discussion, I was already part of the Whole Foods program in US. So I've been following almost 60 to 70% of what was advised earlier. That is what I shared with my group. Whenever you get a list of these things, it becomes a real challenge to replace these things with whatever has been suggested. So the taste buds have got used to the original food, what we are eating. It's a huge challenge. And share one of my incidences when I had done this whole food program. It was a real challenge initially, but it helped me in my hobby, which is running, which I'd like to share, and then I'll share about what was our discussion. I usually run half marathons, and the first half marathon which I ran it took me 2 hours and 16 minutes. And my next target was to improve that on my second half marathon in 2 to 3 months' time. I didn't choose this Whole Foods by choice. It was just like I was part of my YMCA training wherein we got to got to go for this Whole Foods training. I made some changes, and thereafter I ran the second half marathon. I almost improved my timing by 20 minutes. So it was just not the training part, it was also the food which indirectly helped. Talking about that, we discussed about the various items which are over here, like let's say ghee and oil. How can we replace it with the other oil? So what I said was, it's not mandatory to go with just cashew nuts or peanuts. You can use coconut and groundnut oil, which is mentioned, but it doesn't have to be refined. It has to be like cold pressed oil, which has been originally how it was prepared. We don't take out the vital things by refining it over and over again. Things like eggs, replacing it with banana, flax seeds, and I myself still am a vegetarian, so that becomes a challenge with some people because you just can't replace it with something. White bread or white flour maida, that can be replaced with whole wheat flour or whole wheat bread. And also you can have like jowari or bajra roti. The other key challenge was about salt. So where to get Himalayan salt or rock salt?
Rock salt everywhere. Rock salt everywhere. Every shop.
Even the sea salt.
Sea salt is available. Khada namak. Very easy to do. All I am trying to discourage you from using the refined salt, which will easily get into our kitchen because of the heavy advertisement. Neatly packed. That is the problem. See, you're pushed, you're given these products, and you don't have time to think. You're told it's healthy. It's hygienically packed.
Yeah.
So it's unfortunate we have to rethink it. Read the labels, think about it. It's really healthy. That's what I mean. You find immediately if you look around, you find it's not healthy.
Similarly, sugar. Someone usually eating white sugar, get unrefined sugar. Like I can relate one incident when I used to get Whole Foods. They used to make cookies. Cookies which were made out of dates. They tested well, and they really missed the sugar part because they were sweet.
Yeah, you get a lot of dry fruit sweets which has got no sugar added. And you can have those, you can have chicky you can jaggeries.
So the conclusion was that you can't replace everything in one fine day, but over a period of time, you have to make gradual changes which can actually start impacting or make your daily life more easier. That's all.
Anyone else? Anyone living in joint family problems? सबका खाना अलग अलग कैसे बनाएं?
Hi, my name is Bhavin. Just to add to what Prasad said, I mean, in our group also we discussed similar things. you mentioned about joint families. One of the challenges which I personally would feel is, of course, we grow gradually, but the biggest problem is that yes, you want to change yourself, but then family is there, and that means you have to change the entire family, their food habits and everything. It's by default Hercules task for me. And how do you actually end up having two different types of food structures, one for family and one for self, and it's practically impossible. So that was a challenge. Other challenge which my team felt was that the ones which they have kids and everything, so when they go to social parties and everything, how do you, there's a peer pressure, kids being small, they would get attracted to all these things. So even though they're falling at home, when you go actually outside, it is very difficult for them. And if you tell them no, okay, once, twice, they will not going to do, but sometimes they will rebel. So that's the different, that's the second challenge which we thought.
Family is the biggest challenge. How do we convince friends and family and relatives and parties? आज के दिन को आइसक्रीम खा लो, एक दिन में क्या है, बाद में घर में जाके नहीं खाना। एक स्पून ले लो, फोर्स इंडियन कल्चर सोसाइटी थोड़ा में क्या है, इतना क्या जरूरत है? I agree totally. It is a challenge, but we have to begin somewhere.
I mean, generally we all felt that of course this is very good and good start. Slowly in gradual process. You may probably not be able to reach 100%, but you kind of be a wicked kid once, twice a week, and be a good kid for the rest of the days.
So the most important is that when you do shopping, don't bring these things home. That's where you have biggest control. अगर आपके सामने नहीं है तो आप नहीं खाएंगे उसे, लेकिन टेबल पे पड़ा है तो आप जरूर खा लेंगे. तो नंबर वन, don't shop. That's the biggest one. So at least घर का खाना कंट्रोल हो गया है, घर के अंदर ही नहीं है तो आप नहीं खाएंगे, right? That is the biggest. That is in your control. You don't even buy it. Secondly, you go outside and you start choosing healthier options. There are always options available. If I go to party and look, I have decided to be dairy free, so I just look which all places there are dairy. I won't have it. There's dal chawal and one sabji without dairy. I have that. And my stomach will get filled, my stomach will be honored with less complications to digest, and I'll come home easy. I will not eat all this राजा का खाना, I call it as राजा का खाना. अब हफ्ते में एक बार संडे एक स्वीट पहले बनती थी, एक फरसान बनता था, that will be a feast. वो भी हमेशा नहीं, कोई त्योहार होगा तो बनते थे. अब हम कैसे खा रहे हैं? राजा का खाना कोई भी नहीं खा रहे, घर का बाहर जाके खाते हैं और बाहर का खाना घर के अंदर लाके खाते हैं. So many of my patients are expert in having पूरा 5, 6, 7 रेस्टोरेंट के मेनू होते ही है उनके घर में. खाली एक फ़ोन करो या मोबाइल में नंबर उनके फेवरेट डिश ऑर्डर कर देते हैं, घर में पहुँचेंगे तो वो आ जाते हैं. We do it right, don't we? What you need to do is to choose, shift, mind shift. Look, is it healthy? Does it come from a plant? If I eat it, what is going to happen to me? The connection, make it complete. Where is the biggest control? Yeah. In speaking, you have control. And then there's one big exercise I suggest everyone. No. Learn to say no. Very simple. Sometimes I give them tricks. In restaurants, you go and tell them, मुझे मिल्क का एलर्जी है तो प्लीज़ मुझे कोई भी डेयरी वाले खाना नहीं, आप बिना डेयरी का सब्जी बना के लाओ. एलर्जी है, you tell him allergy, you understand. Don't say I'm a vegan, I don't eat. Just say allergy. So somewhere else, अभी गणपति फेस्टिवल चला गया ना, मेरा पेशा अभी क्या डॉक्टर गणपति फेस्टिवल में सबके घर में जाने का, अच्छा खाना बनाया, प्रसाद तो लेना पड़ेगा ना, प्रसाद लेना पड़ेगा. आप मेरा नाम ले लो, मेरे डॉक्टर के नाम लो, ये सब नहीं खाने का, तो अभी मैं नहीं खाना. But that trick works too. These are patients, so they use my name. You can always do something. You can always be smart. You can eat and go from home. In your, I don't know, in your canteen menu, what is healthy? You'll have to see now and then figure out what is probably vegan.
Yeah, that's what we had.
Poha maybe, but it's white rice, but you can have it.
Yes, especially the snacks which are served in the evening. And I would say only 1 out of the 10 item is healthy.
I agree, but you will choose that one. डोसा इडली खा सकते हैं बाहर जाएंगे तो. I order my pizza once in a while I go out. I order my pizza without cheese. I can have it. I'll have it. I'm just giving you different tips at home or outside. You have to choose. मतलब नक्की कर लिया है कि आपको करना है तो कर सकते हैं.
Another option would be to influence probably the cafeteria committee to serve some additional snacks.
Well, I will inspire Master team to maybe we teach. I do healthy cooking workshops. I actually teach people what is healthy, how to do oil free, how to do dairy free cooking. We create fantastic ice creams. These are all dairy free ice cream. Right? You'll be surprised. We make fantastic ice cream and serve it. I make very good cheese, completely dairy free. We make a lot of fantastic things. We make vegetables in gravy. You don't need creamer. We use cashews. We are quite expert. We teach all these things. I teach how to make whole wheat bread at home. बाहर का ब्रेड में कुछ न कुछ गड़बड़ है, उसमें भी you read emulsifiers and कुछ न कुछ तो लिखा रहता है. Do you want that? No. White sugar is there. Oil is there. You make at home. It doesn't take time. You just learn it. It's all habit. Habit takes 21 days to do. So I give you a challenge. Would I inspire you? 30 days challenge. आप 30 दिन के लिए तो नक्की कर लो. आपके घर में बता दो कि खाली 30 दिन का एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहे हैं, बाद में हम सब कुछ खाएंगे. ऐसा बता दो. At least experience for 30 days what happens to you. When you will see the magic. When you don't take that dairy product, when that gulab jamun, that ice cream with, I think rabdi, whatever they mix, I don't know, gulab jamun with rabdi, पार्टी में 4 स्वीट रहते हैं, केक रहता है. अब चारों खाते हैं, एक भी नहीं, चारों खा लेते हैं. चारों देखे तो खा लिया. So, but someone like me won't eat it because I've decided not to eat it. All that will not go in your stomach. You will see the difference in your health. You will see how energetic you feel. How mentally calm and clear you feel. What happens when an animal is killed or is about to be killed? Animal knows I am going to be killed. Animal is under very high stress and very strong hormones are produced in his bloodstream. Adrenaline is released in his bloodstream because he is about to die. That adrenaline gets into every part of his body and one of the parts you are going to eat it. That adrenaline is going to get into your system. Your body produces adrenaline only under stress, not otherwise. But now you get ready-made adrenaline coming. Your body interprets it as a stress. And you start behaving like you are under stress. Every emotion of an animal gets into your system. And you need to digest that as well. आपको तो पता है कि माँ ने प्यार से बनाया हुआ खाना कितना अच्छा लगता है. उसकी कोई कंपैरिजन नहीं कर सकता. जो भी खाना हम प्यार से बनाते हैं, अच्छी भाव से बनाते हैं, वो हमेशा अच्छा ही लगता है. घर में आप 4 डोसा खाएंगे, माँ का एक ही डोसा खाएंगे, आप यू नो इट राइट. मतलब वो जो इमोशंस है, वो जो प्यार से बनाया है, आपके बारे में सोच के बनाया है, वो खाना ही अच्छा लगता है, वही खाना है. So you need to reorganize. Am I going to digest all these negative emotions? Am I going to digest the high bacterial content? That immediately starts. Do you know about scavengers? As soon as death happens, I see a patient in the hospital. I am auscultating, heartbeats है. एक मिनट में वापस आती हूँ, heartbeat चले गए. What happens? Moment the life leaves, scavengers come in. They start eating up your body. Within an hour, the body starts rotting. Are you going to eat dead bodies? With lots of bacteria and the destruction your body will have to process it so much more. You understand? So these are the emotionally and mentally you feel much better. The stress levels are very down. You feel very calm and clear. All these are benefits. You will see it for yourself. Shoulders aching, this aches, all this disappears. Acidity disappears. Your medications will start going down. I am reversing big diseases, diabetes, heart disease. I help people with obesity, thyroid, all with the same stuff. And if you don't have disease, are you going to wait to have a disease and then come to me? So prevention is better. For remaining healthy is better. Which doctor is smart? Doctor who gives you very good prescription, or a doctor who does not need to give you a prescription? Doctor who prevents diseases, doctor who keeps you well, gives you a guideline that you don't need me anymore. You don't fall ill, that's a better doctor. This is what we need to do. Yeah, correct? So, I mean, these are difficulties, the mindsets are the problem. ना कैसे बोलना, अरे प्रसाद है, हर चीज़ है, लेकिन if you decide, do it for 30 days. 30 days experiment is good enough, just go plant-based, fruits, vegetables, nuts, some pulses and your protein, your grain. इतना भी सिंपल करोगे, खाली 3 बार बराबर से खाओगे, 2 बार फ्रूट्स खाओगे. I have not told you to go even oil free, अब चलेगा थोड़ा white sugar, थोड़ा refined oil, थोड़ा refined salt. इतना भी करोगे, you will see the difference in your body. So you have to begin something, start. Otherwise, at least avoid the item with heavily loaded cheese. 1 slice of cheese is equal to 16 ounces of milk. So if you don't take that 1 cheese slice, you know now. If you avoided this, it's good for you. So do it for yourself. Any amount of discussion is not good. You can handle the family a bit later. That is after 30 days we'll discuss. You don't have to discuss. The personal experience will teach you and make you stick to it. If you feel better, you will remain. You will exactly follow it. You will do 90-95%. You feel very much better. This is what I have done with all my patients. After a month, when my patient whose creatinine came down to 1.2, he started laughing. He said, "Doctor, ये तो मैं lifetime." She just said, "Doctor, ये तो मैं lifetime कर सकता हूँ." He started laughing. Like, there's one question I asked all these patients who are supposed to be on the sort of diet. कि कुछ मिस करते हो क्या? कुछ खाना है बताओ मुझे. क्या खाना है? पानी पूरी खाना है, पेट पूरी खाओ ना. मैं कहा ना बोलती. As long as it is plant-based, it's not healthy, but it's plant-based. There's no animal product in it, you have it. And they become very happy. But what happens, this food satisfies. This food, that is not like a typical dieting. आपने देखा है कोई भी dieting 21 days ही चलता है. 21 days में तो I think you get so tired, exhausted, and you start binging. एक दिन बैठ के सब कुछ खा लोगे, 4 समोसा खा लोगे, 2 बटाटा वगैरह, because you're so tired of diet. So here we are not doing diet, living a lifestyle. You are eating as much as you want. Patient will ask, 2 चपाती खाऊं या 4 खाऊं, 3 खाऊं? अरे जितना खाना है खाओ ना, मैं कहाँ चेक कर रही हूँ. Your stomach will tell you how much to eat. Your stomach will tell you when to stop. Listen to your body. The body will tell you, because these are the foods that never make you addicted. You never eat 20 tomatoes. Our addiction होने वाला नहीं है. Not possible. Are you addicted to bananas? I don't think so. You will never get addicted to lettuce. Possibly not. Anything that you feel addicted, that's going to make you weak, that takes something out of you, it's a substance. It's a substance abusing your body instead of you abusing the substance. Right? I think the time is up, so I should wind up. There are a lot more messages, but maybe some other time. Very important one is the exercise. You should introduce some exercise always in your body. Yoga करो, walk पे जाओ, कुछ भी करो. But please do not ever compromise. Lazy मत बनो. आप सेल फोन लो, काम करो, you have to do some form of exercise. You cannot replace exercise with anything. Exercise is a must, not when you are 40 or 50, only when you are young. When I have a yoga asana, I put the asana, I stand every day in the morning, then even if I'm a little sleepy, I just stand. And then what will I tell myself? That I am doing this yoga not for today. I am doing it so that when I am 90, I will be fit like this. So I am investing today for my future. This is how you do exercise. This is how you eat good food. This is how you maintain your body. You have only one body. Can we buy liver, kidney? No, it's not that easy. You can die in the process. Can you buy? You can't buy any of these parts. You have only one body. If we were given pretty healthy body, we don't know, but now we picked up all this stuff. Honor, respect, learn, love, healthy